Aussie US dollar has now traded into equal legs up into the 89.10s. I hope you guys were a seller up here, as we talked about for the last month, that if it broke above this triangle and did the ABC wave structure, we have now confirmed that this is in fact not a wave 4 triangle, but a B wave triangle, and we just had a C wave burst up. We are looking for downside now towards an 88.50 in the near term to get the first targets filled from the 89.10s. But ultimately, don't be surprised if we do get a few more minor highs into the 89.40 area. Again, so long as we're below 90, technically this extended short is valid for a move down towards 85. So we're just starting to get up into this area where we'd be turning, right, in terms of after 3 legs up, but the trend is still down. And we are looking for now this market to continue lower. Also, for the Aussie, if we break the full 50% long, in other words, today, let's say the news takes us down from where we are and breaks below at this point in 87.40, that actually will give you a valid setup to take and look for those ambush trades, that ambush short that would occur if you break the longs against this. So keep an eye on that. You could see obviously some volatility today. Aussie US dollar was no different. We traded this morning up into that 89.10. That was the equal legs up off these lows. We've been talking about that level for 2 weeks now. 89.10 to 89.40, you got to be a seller. First targets were immediately filled before the news, and at the news event we spiked down lower. And actually at this point we have traded into, I do not believe this level will hold, but we have traded into the 50% level from lows to highs. So we're now looking for the Aussie to overnight break down below the 87.30s. Once we're below the 87.30s, then we'll have a valid ambush short we can draw from the highs of today to the lows that broke that long. So either way, equal legs here have traded. We have extended shorts that front ran, but this looks like 3 legs up after a burst out of that B wave triangle, right? We had A, B, and then C up. That now takes us down towards an 85 target for the Aussie. Again, looking for below 87.40s tonight. The dollar yen has burst.